Hi, my name is Trent Floden, and I'm going to show you how to evolve your Eevee. So, go to your game. It's going to take a few minutes, trust me. Let me get out of here. And then fly to any city that has a Poke Center or Pokemart. And go in the Poke Center. You will go to your PC and you'll put this Pokemon. Let's get out of here. And then you'll withdraw and Eevee. And get out of here. Now, this is only going to work if you have one water stone. So, go to your bag and you will go to a water stone and you will press the water use and it will say able to Eevee. Press that and the Eevee will evolve. And a Vaporeon. Yay. And that's how you evolve an Eevee.